In this video, I am going to show you how to use Morrisons More Card Points. So, first of all, you don't spend Morrison More Points directly. Once you reach, as an example, 5,000 more points, you can turn them into a £5 voucher, which Morrisons calls the fiver. And you can then use the fiver when shopping at Morrisons. So the first thing that you will need to do is just go and open your Morrisons More app. Open the application and sign in into your account, and your account will let you check how many points that you've collected at the top once you just sign in. So look for your Fiverr section at the top, and there you can see basically your points. Keep in mind that you'll need at least 5,000 points, which will equal £5. And if you haven't reached 5,000 points yet, keep collecting points when you shop. Morrisons currently says more members can earn points by scanning their more card on eligible shopping with extra ways to earn through offers and points boosters. So all you need to do once you have at least 5,000 points, just open the Fiverr section. You will find that's at the bottom left or bottom right to be specific. Just go and click on the Fivers and you can choose to keep saving your points to turn them into a £5 Fiverr. So follow all the instructions shown in the app to create your voucher. Once you have it, choose how you want to use it. When creating your Fiverr, you'll be given option on how you want to use it. For example, you can choose to load the Fiverr into the More card to use it in store or get an e-code for eligible online shopping. So just make sure to choose the correct option because Morrison says that you cannot change the redemption method after you select it. As an example, you can use your Fiverr in store. Once you've loaded, an example, your Fiverr into the More card, take your item to the checkout, scan your physical More card or digital More card in the app, and then you can use your available Fiverr example toward your eligible Morrisons purchase. So you can, if you choose an example, the online code instead, you can basically do it through the Morrisons websites and enter the vouchers when you're checking out. Remember that the method that you choose when creating the Fiverr matches or matters most. So choose whether you want to use it in store or online before confirming. And that should be basically how you use your Morrisons More Card Points. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.